All right, welcome back. We're going to do another problem. We're going to do this one by substitution. Okay, and the problem states we have x minus y equals negative 8, 7x plus 4y equals negative 67. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to solve this. We're going to get x by itself. X equals y minus 8. And then we're going to plug that in to that expression. So 7, and instead of x, we're going to write y minus 8 plus 4y equals negative 67. Okay, so 7y minus 56 plus 4y is negative 67. 11y equals negative 11. So y equals negative 1. Now, bringing this down, x equals y, which is negative 1, minus 8, is negative 9. So we get the point negative 9, comma, negative 1. Okay? And that will satisfy both equations. All right? Now, let's go ahead. I really like elimination, so we're going to do elimination next. So, we already did one. Let's do another one. Let's do by elimination. And this is sort of the way that I feel is the most useful. Okay, so let's take 2x plus 3y equals 6, and 3x plus 2y equals 8. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to balance the equations. So we're going to balance the y's. Okay? And when we balance the y's here, what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that the y's cancel. Okay? So, in order to do that, we're going to multiply here. And I like to write a little bit. So, row 1. So I'm taking row 1, and I'm going to multiply it by negative 2. And I'm going to take row 2 and multiply it by 3. And when I do that, what's going to happen, and I do write it out, is I'm going to have negative 4x minus 6y equals negative 12. Row 2 is going to become 9x plus 6y equals 24. So now you see, when I add these two together, the y equations are going to cancel. Okay, y equations canceling, that's going to leave me with 5x equals 12, or x equals 12 over 5. Now, again, you could plug this x back into either one of these equations to solve for y. But that's actually, it's not going to, it's going to work, but it's going to be harder. Okay, so it's actually going to be easier if we just do an elimination again. So we're going to do an elimination again. We're going to balance here. We're going to balance the x. Okay, so we're going to take row 1 times 3, and row 2 times negative 2. Okay, and when we do that, what are we going to get? Row 1 times 3 becomes 6x plus 9y is 18. And then negative 6x plus 4y equals negative 16. Adding them together, I should have written that here first. Adding them together, the 6x's cancel, so we get 13y equals 2. Nope, I made a mistake, because that should have been a negative 4y. Glad I caught that. 5y equals 2, or y equals 2/5. Okay, so we have x is 12 over 5, and y is 2 over 5. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.